Today's video is going to be straightforward and very simple. I ended up replacing my Hydroboost. This is a used unit from a pull apart from an Astro van. All the Hydroboosters are pretty much the same from what I've found out from like the first time it was made up to 2002. Now the accumulators are different colors if they got disc brakes or if they got drum brakes. This is a drum brake one, so it's gold. Now if you sing this is the LS Swap C30. If you sing it before, then you know that I had a very bad leak on my Hydroboost, and hopefully I don't down with this used unit. But they are cheap to rebuild. You can see I'm pretty much bone dry here. I'm gonna get me some power steering fluid and top this off. I'm not using anything fancy in the power steering fluid situation here. They make different kinds. They make performance fluid and stuff, but it's basically all the same. It's like a high pressure hydraulic fluid, and I always had good luck out of just any type of power steering fluid. So we're going to top this off, and I got 3 quarts. I don't know how many quarts it's going to take, because I should have some fluid still in my steering box, so it might not take as much if it was bone dry. Now you can do this 2 ways. Start it and do it, get a helper, or do it dry. I'm going to stop mine because it's easier to turn the wheel. It's cut the wheel. Watch the air bleed. Hit the brake about 3. Ease the brake now like this. Look it. Middle. Now we are using the brake. Keep using it. Keep it pumping. Cut the wheel again. The other one needs turned up a little on it. Now your fluid might look a little pink and stuff, and that's usually because of air bubbles. Now it's very simple to do this yourself. As you sing, you can do it with the engine off. Be sure to pump your brake pedal. It might take you about 100 pumps to get that pedal coming back as smooth as it needs to be. It took quite a while to breed this with it running, but I got brakes now. It don't look like I'm leaking, and I got a working Hydroboost. So maybe now she'll be almost safe enough to drive. Almost, because there's some wiring issues I have to tidy up. But all in all, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.